This is Jesse Sloan. I'm Executive Director of the American Association for Long-Term Care Insurance and the National Advisory Center for Short-Term Care Information. Our organizations don't sell insurance, but our role is to educate consumers, support our insurance agents who are members. So, if you have more questions after watching this video, please speak to the insurance professional who sent you the link to it, or feel free to call us directly and we'll connect you with somebody who can answer your questions. Many consumers who call our organizations looking for information on long-term care planning face two dilemmas. The first is they're past the age when many insurance companies will write policies. And secondly, many of them have existing health conditions that may not make them acceptable. So we've come across a policy from Kemper. It's a home health care benefit policy that, as you can see, will accept applicants up to age 85. And secondly, as you'll see when we get to the application, is ideal for those individuals with existing health conditions. So this policy provides a combination of benefits that we think will be of interest. Many of those are related to skilled kinds of care services that are the types of care that you're going to need as a result of aging. Many of these are not covered fully or not covered at all by health insurance or Medicare, and as you'll see, this policy provides a cash benefit of $150 a day for a one-year period. This is an indemnity plan, which means it will pay benefits even if Medicare or your other health insurance coverage pays. The policy also has a home health care aid benefit, which, as you'll see from this slide, is a daily benefit of $40 for each day, up to a 60-day maximum for when you require services from a home health care aid. One of the other features that I'm going to suggest you take a look at is the prescription drug indemnity benefit. Now, this provision varies from state to state, so you want to read your state-specific brochure. But very simply, if you take prescription drugs and if you pay several $100s a year for these drugs, it's really worth looking into. Here's why. This policy will reimburse you for the retail cost of your prescription drugs, not just what you actually pay. And it doesn't matter whether the prescription is covered by Medicare or maybe by your health insurance. So if you have several $100s of prescription drugs a year, by the time you're done with the deductible and the coinsurance, this policy can reimburse you several $100s against your premium. Well worth considering if you're taking prescriptions. The insurer has thrown in some additional added benefits that are worth looking at, especially if you're, 60, 65 or older. There is a annual physical exam reimbursement that kicks in, I think, in year 2. There are some vision benefits, some hearing benefits, and even an ambulance benefit of $100 per trip, because all expenses today are never covered by everybody. So here are the two charts taken right out of the brochure of what you'll pay for this coverage. If you're between 65 and 70 and you're taking the home health care with the extra benefits, you'll see you'll spend $40.10 a month. When you consider, though, that you will be able to get some of that back by submitting your prescription drug receipts, if you go for a physical exam, if you get a hearing aid, this policy, that's one of the reasons we really think this policy is well worth looking into. And as I said at the beginning, one of the things that makes this policy, I believe, so attractive, especially to older individuals, is the fact that the policy application simply asks 5 questions. And you can hit pause and read them right here on your screen. As long as you answer no to all 5 of the questions, you are about 90 to 95% assured of being issued this coverage. So I want to thank you again for watching this presentation. If you have questions, or at least you should get hold of the actual policy brochure for your state, talk to the insurance agent who shared this video with you, or call the association offices at 818-597-3205, and we'll connect you with a knowledgeable short-term care insurance specialist for your state. Thanks again for watching.